So now actually point number one in what I wrote out here is what is a CMS and why is WordPress classified as that? And a content management system is just that. It gives you the ability to easily edit and manage content without having to be great in HTML code or understand a code language. It makes it easy for you to put up what you want to do. As we can see in this view that I put in the page here, and also we'll just kind of graphically walk through here. And you guys are also free to do this on the demonstration site that I sent you guys login information for. We can go in and easily add a new page here. We could title it whatever we'd like to and type in content. And you can see that it's just as easy as writing a Word document, writing an email, or whatever whatever the case may be. And then as soon as we've written in our content, done what we want to do here, we're able to click publish. This immediately becomes a live page on our site. And when we click through to view it, we can see that I just created this page. So the other nice thing inside of this editor is that it's very simple to add images right off your desktop. So if there's an upload insert button there that I just clicked, we can select any files that we want to upload. So I may go through and look at whatever images I'd like to put up here. Click that. This tool uploads the file and compresses and optimizes it all at the same time. So it loads quickly on a page and it's easy to put right in there. And then I click insert into post. And now I have written content that I just wrote out and I put an image inside my post too. And when I click update, that saves the work that I just did. It does do some auto saving, but just like when you're writing, you know, a long document or doing anything, it's always a great idea to save more often than not. And now if I go back to this page that I've just created, then I can refresh it. And now I'll see the content that I wrote, obviously the title of my page, and this image.
So I have a quick question. If I have my content saved in a Word document, can I just paste that in?
Yeah, the nice thing is what they added in kind of midway down the roadmap inside of WordPress in this what's called a WYSIWYG. It's a control panel for editing content. Is right up here. There's two paste options. You can actually paste from Word, this button right here. So like if I wanted to grab some of the ebook here and keep the same formatting and styling, I could copy it right from Word, go back to the editor here, click this paste from Word. This dialog comes up here, paste in the content that I've already written, formatted, and set up the way that I want to. And now it pastes the content right in there with formatting like that. Now in most cases, it's going to keep similar styling to what you had in Word and the formatting. There is one thing that we'll get into more in the future where specific parts of a theme or style can override pieces of it. But in concept and in most of the themes, you're able to grab content that you've already formatted or written out, and it'll keep the same paragraph styling, bolding, and everything like that. You can also, there's just an editor right here where you can go in and change the color styling. You can choose sizing for anything. You can manipulate it just again like you would do a Word document or email. So it's very easy to create a page. It takes a few minutes and just a little bit of playing around to get familiar with it. And it's that easy to create new content.